Tikman Kitchen is for me, it's this online resource that features heart-healthy recipes of Filipino dishes, as well as cardiovascular education. My time at CFAM really illuminated research highlighting, or really showing health disparities in the FilAm community, higher prevalence rates of obesity, diabetes, hypertension, my experience with family members with heart disease. And unfortunately, on more than one occasion, I remember them telling me that their doctor told them they couldn't eat any more Filipino food. It was considered unhealthy and they should stop doing that, instead switch over to other Mediterranean diets, other types of cuisines. And when it came to Tikman Kitchen, huge motivation for me was to dispel that myth.
I became a dietitian mainly because, similar along the same lines as like Rommell, I saw that not only like my parents but like my cousins, their friends all had either like diabetes, hypertension, sometimes like chronic kidney disease and everything. So I like started to do just minimal research while I was in undergrad, and like, oh, like, why is this happening in our community? Why is there a health disparity? I do think when working with Filipino Americans, I always validate their culture, their history, and the food that they eat, and recognize that, you know, all foods can fit in a healthy diet. In terms of white rice, this is my like favorite topic to talk about, because people think like we always have to like eliminate white rice.
Martin and I will now be doing a quick cooking demo for you all. And this is a recipe that we have featured on Tikman Kitchen's website, tuna tortang talong. I describe it basically as a little tuna omelet with the eggplant.
Canned tuna or even like fresh tuna is a great option, some type of fish, and adding that to it increases the protein. We're gonna get started with the filling part. That was all golden brown. Like a lot of Filipino dishes, it usually starts with garlic and onions. So I'm just gonna go ahead, I have my pan preheating here. I'm just gonna add the onions and garlic to the dish and everything.
So now we're going to cut the eggplant, do a little incision so that we can now stuff it with the tuna mix. Have it a little open here. We're very interested in hearing recipes that you all come up with or that you have used, passed down from generations in your family. I'd love to feature all the recipes that you guys make at home, because I'm clearly not an expert in culinary science or not a chef by any means. What I'm here to do is just advertise, highlight, and feature heart-healthy Filipino dishes.